Hi friends and students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the 10th standard chapter 1, that is linear equation in two variables. In the last couple of sessions we have discussed about this chapter, and I think we have solved up to problem set 1.3. We have solved linear equation in two variables problems, say by addition and subtraction method. Then second one is the graphical method, and third one is the determinant method. Here we are going to discuss if the linear equations are not linear equations, then how to solve and get the values of x and y, that is the value of variables. Say x plus y is equal to 20. It is a linear equation. There are two variables x and y, and the power of degree of both this is x raised to 1 and y raised to 1. So this is a linear equation. If I write 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 20, then this is a linear equation? No, this is not a linear equation, because x and y, the power of degree of x and y will become x raised to minus 1 plus y raised to minus 1 is equal to 20. Although there are two variables, but the power of degree is minus 1, x raised to minus 1. So this is not a linear equation. So the chapter, they have given one activity, that is they have given the equations, and we have to find out whether that is a linear or non-linear equation and what are the variables. So equation is, say, equation, then number of variables, then third one is whether linear or not linear. The first equation they have given, that is 3 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to 8. Number of variables are, say, 2. But whether this is a linear or non-linear equation? This is a non-linear equation, because just I told you 3 upon x is nothing but 3x raised to minus 1. Linear equation will be there if the power of degree is 1. Here it is a not linear. Then second one, 6 upon x minus 1 plus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 0. There are also variables 2. It is a not linear equation, not linear. Third, here is 7 raised to, so divided by 2x plus 1 plus 13 divided by x, y plus 2. It is also number of variables 2, because x is there, y is there, so number of variables 2. But what is the power of degree? Sorry, degree of this x raised to is minus 1, so it is not linear. Then fourth one, 14 divided by x plus y plus, say, 3x minus y is equal to 5. Here variables are 2, but their power x raised to is minus 1, so it is not linear. So this is the activity they have given in the book. Now we will continue with the actual problem. So we are going to solve directly the problem set 1.4. In 1.4 we will see how to convert the non-linear equation into linear equation and how to solve the problem. Now first we will see, say, practice set 1.4. This is practice set 1.4. The first problem is 2 upon x minus, say, 3 upon y is equal to 15. Second, equation is 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Now this is a non-linear equation. You have to first make the equation that is linear equation. So how to make it? The solution will be, this is 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. This is the first equation. Second equation, 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. This is the second equation. Now we will assume here we will consider eight upon x is equal to a. Sorry, 1 upon x is equal to a, and 1 upon y is equal to b. Now we are going to substitute the value of say x in terms of a. So how to? So by substituting 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Now this equation in equation 1 and 2. So what will the equation will become? This is 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. Then this is 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. So we will say this is equation number 3rd and this is equation number 4. Now we will solve this problem. Now what? We have to calculate the value of a and b. So we will write, what we will do here is 8a 5b, here 2a 3b. You have to make one variables common in both the equations. So this is 8a. If you multiply this 2 with 4, then it will become 8a. So it will be useful for us for the subtraction. So we will multiply equation 3rd by say 4. So what will the equation will become? The equation will become, this is 4 into 8, 2a, this is 2a plus 12b, and we will multiply equation 3rd by 4. So this will become 68a minus, it is minus 12b into is equal to 60. This equation will become 5th. Now what we will do? We will subtract equation 5th from 4th by subtracting equation say 5th from equation 4. So what is the equation 4? This is 4. So it will become 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. This is equation number 4. This is 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. This is equation number 5. So we have to do the subtraction. So we are going to do subtraction here. So 8a minus 8a, answer will be 0. 5a plus 12b, here will be 7b, and this is 77 minus 60, this is 17. So b is equal to 17 upon 17 is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1. Now we are going to substitute this value say in equation 3rd. We will substitute b is equal to 1 in equation 3rd. What is third equation? 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. is equation number third. We'll put b is equal to 1. So 2a minus 3 into 1 is equal to 15. So 2a is equal to 3 is equal to 15. So 2a is equal to 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. So 2a is equal to, a is equal to 18 upon 2 is equal to 9. So a is equal to 9. A is equal to 9 and b is equal to 1. But what you have considered 1 upon x is equal to a, that is equal to 9. And so what will the answer here come? This is 1 upon x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 1 upon 9 because this x will go here and 9 will come here. So x is equal to 1 upon 9. And 1 upon y is equal to b, and b, the value of b is 1. So 1 upon y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. So the value of x is 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1. So what will the answer? So we will write answer here as, we have to write below. Due to the constraint of the space I am writing here. So x is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of the equation. This is the answer of this problem. First of all, you have to convert this non-linear equation into linear equation by substituting 1 by x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Then again you have to do the addition or subtraction as per the equation. Then you will get the value of a and b. Then again you have to consider the value of a in terms of x and you have to calculate the value of x. We have done this type of subtraction addition problem in 1.1. In practice set 1.1 we have solved such type of problem, subtraction and addition. Only addition here is you have to consider here the law. We have seen this subtraction addition in 1.1, practice set 1.1. If you want to see how we have solved this problem, then I can share the link of that my video, so you can go through that video. It will be useful for you while solving such type of problems. Hope you have understood this problem. We will continue with problem number 2. Now we are going to solve problem number 2. Just I told you that I will share this link of my first video in description. So we will go through that. Then that will be helpful to that will be helpful for solving the problems. Now we will move for the second problem. But moving for the second problem, further that I would like to remind you, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. If you have any friends to also ask him to to see my videos. And if you have any comments or suggestion, you can give me your comments or suggestion in my comment box. So guys, let us move to the second problem number 2. Now you see problem number 2. The problem number 2 is (10) divided by x plus y plus 2x minus y is equal to 4, and second one is 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to 2. These are the two equations. Now these are the non-linear equation. We have to make it linear equation. So what is the solution? So solution will be, say first upon you have to write down the equation 10 divided by x plus y plus 2 x minus y is equal to 4. Second equation is 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now, there are two variables x and y. And in one equation, there are two different x and y is represented in different form. Here it is x plus y. Now here there are two variables x and y. But in x, y variables are in different forms. Here it is x plus y, it is minus x minus y. Earlier we have seen it is just individual x and y is we see represented in different form. So what we will do? We will consider here, we will consider 1 upon x plus y is equal to a, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. These both x plus y is here, here x plus y is there, here x minus y is there, here also x minus y is there. So we have considered 1 upon x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is equal to b. Now putting the value, putting 1 upon x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b in equation first and second. Now we put a is equal to 1 upon x plus y and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. So we put here the equation will contain a plus 2b is equal to 4. Here 15a minus 5b is equal to 2. So this is equation number 3. This is equation number 4. Now what we have to do? We have to deduct either a or b for getting the value of a or b. So here we have seen 10a is there, 15a is there, here 2b is there, 5b is there. So we have to multiply both the equation by using a common figure. So what we will do? We will do one thing. We will multiply this second equation with this 2 and first one with 5. So it will become 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10. So we will do one thing. So I will write down here. We will multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. So what will answer will come here? So we have to multiply this third equation by 5. So 5 tens are 50a plus 5 2s are 10b is equal to 20. This equation will become fifth equation. Then you have to again multiply equation 4 by 2. This equation is 4, we have to multiply by 2. So answer will become 30a minus 2 5s are 10b is equal to 2 2s are 4. This is equation number 6. What you have done? These 5 tens are 50, then 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, then again multiplying equation 4 by 2, 15 2s are 30, then 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. Now what we will do? We will do addition. If you do addition, then 10b you will get cancelled. So by adding equation 5th and say 6th, fifth and 6th. So we'll write 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. then 30a minus 10b is equal to 4. What will the answer? Plus this 10 by 10b will get cancelled. This is 80a and this is 24. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 24 upon 80. So 8 3s are 24, 8 10s are 80. So answer of this A is, so here in the equation it is minus 4 is there. Sorry, it is minus 4 is there. Sorry, it is minus 4 is there. This is also minus 4. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 4 is there. While writing I have missed this minus sign. This minus, sorry, minus 4 not this there. It is minus 2 is there. Minus 2 is there. Minus 2. So this is minus 2. This is also minus 2. This is minus 2. Here also minus 2. Minus 2 is there. Minus 2, then minus 2. So answer will come here minus 4. Here it will become minus 4. So answer will come here 16. 16 answer will come. So here answer will come, say 16 upon 80 is equal to 16 on the 60, 16 5 is 80, 1.5. So A is equal to 1.5. This is the value of A. Now we have to calculate the value of B. So what we will do? We will do one thing. We will put A is equal to 1.5, say in equation 3. What is equation 3? This is 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. It is equation number 3. 10a plus 2b is equal to 4 is equation number 3. So what we will do? So what will the answer come? 10 into 1.5 plus 2b is equal to 4. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So it will become 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. So 2b is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So 2b is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2 minus 2. So b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. Now we will put value of A and B, but 1 upon x plus y is equal to A. So 1 upon x plus y is equal to, what is the value of A? 1.5. And 1 upon x minus y is equal to B. So 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. Now what we have to do? We have to do the cross multiplication. So this equation will become x plus y. We will do the cross multiplication over here like this. X plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 5, 6. This is equation number 7 and this is equation number 8. Now we have to calculate the value of x and y. So what we will do? We will add equation say 7 and equation number 8. So sorry, I will continue here due to the space constraint. X plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 7. This is equation number 8. So we have to do addition here. So it y. So x is equal to 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. Putting x is equal to 3 in equation say 7. So 7th equation, x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. So what will become? x is 3 plus y is equal to 5 minus 3. So y is equal to 2. This is the answer of the y. So what is the solution? So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of the equation. This is the answer of this problem. Hope guys you have understood this. I have tried to make it as simple as possible. So due to the space constraints, I have write this. So if you have any still any questions, suggestions or problems, then you can comment in my comment box. Now we will going to end make the end of this session. Please subscribe my channel, share and like my videos. Thank you.